guys, another episode of Market Back, and we're back at Coronation Market. Guess what? The prices are going down. That means you can come shop, come buy things for the Christmas. But for this episode, we have a special guest with us.
Hi guys! Thanks for having me.
So Carlisa will be joining us for this episode, guys. Just stay tuned. Find in the market, the prices and so on?
Well, usually it's just lettuce I come to buy, or salad. So the prices have really gone down a lot, so it's not as bad as persons would see, because I really from time to time would walk and just ask the prices for stuff and make comparison, because some places, like maybe at the supermarket or in other areas but not in the actual market, sells it more expensive. Because like not long ago, one of my coworkers was saying that somebody was selling her one single tomato for $300, and in the market a pound of tomato is $700. So even when you do the maths, one don't work out to $300. For some areas in the market, the price might be higher, whereby at some point it might be less or lower for the same item. So you just have to walk.
So to be clear, the people they can come on the market and get their things
Yeah,
next
man.
Christmas and stuff.
Yeah, man. Honestly, the prices have gone down. Because each week I come, I ask about the prices for different stuff that I'm interested in, and it has gone. I don't see where the price goes.
So guys, you heard it, the prices are going down. Come on Coronation Market, get your produce, get your goods. Prices are going down. Carlisa, how did you like the market?
It was really fun. I see a lot of people are shopping up for Christmas. The prices have gone down, so more people are supposed to be coming out. I'm excited to do my own shopping for Christmas. What about you?
Same. You know, got my bag ready. So Carlisa, you think you can manage this?
Yeah.
All right.
So till next week, join us for our next episode of Market Bag.